Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to activate your gotv decoder. So stay tuned. So after you have done your cable from the antenna, you can use any antenna. This is the gotv antenna, but you can use any antenna to face it. So you join your cable from your antenna to the decoder over here, to the gotv decoder. When you join your power cables, your AV cable. Alright, so you need to power it, and then you start your scanning and activation. You need to power your gotv. So your decoder will start scanning. So you need to wait for the scanning to complete, and then you do your activation. If I already activated it at where you make the purchase, you don't have any problem. You just come back, you connect the cable from the antenna to your gotv decoder, and then you scan your decoder. All the channels will work perfectly for you. So you don't need any installer to install your gotv for you. done with the scanning, and all the channels will work perfectly on it.
Really, I can feel it already. I can feel it, honey. They're already so deep in my body. My body is an instrument for them to communicate through my voice. Everything I have to tell
so it's not too hard for you to activate your gotv decoder. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that you miss out on any videos that will be broken. Alright, thanks.